A light steering makes the Eon well suited to Indian traffic conditions, and a tight turning circle allows cheeky moves through traffic. However, the Eon isn't fun to drive, and the uneven feel the steering offers contributes to this. There is lots of slack around the straight ahead position, but when you pile on the lock, the steering suddenly quickens to the point of being over-responsive. This takes some getting used to at higher speeds, and the quick turn-in can also catch the novice driver off guard. Another negative is the lack of sufficient self-centering action, so you have to keep a firm hand on the steering at all speeds. Straight line stability is adequate, and those strong gusts do rock the car. The overall impression is that the Eon is well planted, especially over minor undulation. Low speed ride quality is another area where it showed a plushness. It does thump over bumps, but the suspension does a good job of softening the jaw. Over bad roads, the Eon feels out of its comfort zone, and the ride isn't as flat as we would like. There is a fair amount of vertical movement owing to its softly sprung setup. Suspension noise is also pretty well contained, though road noise gets intrusive as you go faster. In terms of braking, the Eon offers good feel at the pedal and also doesn't veer much under panic stops. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ હ્યુન્ડાઈ તેના હેચબેક કાર સેગમેન્ટ માટે ઓલવેઝ રીચ રહ્યું છે. જો વાત કરીએ સેન્ટ્રોની તો એ લોકોના દિલમાં વસી ગઈ હતી, પણ સેન્ટ્રો હેચબેક કારનું માર્કેટ તોડ્યું કઈ કારે? હ્યુન્ડાઈ i10 i10 વિશે વાત કરીશું, બટ આફ્ટર ધી શોર્ટ બ્રેક. વેલકમ બેક ફ્રેન્ડ્સ ઓન ઓટો શો. યુ નો વોટ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, i10 જ્યારે લોન્ચ થઈ હતી ત્યારે ઇટ વોઝ ઓલ્સો રિકમેન્ડેડ એઝ અ કાર ઓફ યર. યસ, i10 ઇઝ અ કમ્પ્લીટ પેકેજ ઓફ ફેમિલી કાર, અને તેના વિશે વધારે જણાવશે પ્લેનેટ હ્યુન્ડાઈમાંથી મનમી. સો હેવ અ લુક.
अब मैं आपको Hyundai i10 के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ. Hyundai i10 is the largest selling car from Hyundai. i10 comes with the again aerodynamic shape, which is a very great feature from Hyundai. Better driving, better comfort while driving इन गाड़ी में ही प्रोवाइड होता है. Similarly, as compared to Ion, this also comes with the tubeless tires. These tubeless tires again वही feature will take you to the nearest service station at the time of puncture. i10 का ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस अगेन बहुत ज़्यादा है. अगर इस गाड़ी को हम दूसरी गाड़ियों के साथ कंपेयर करें तो इसका ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस काफ़ी ज़्यादा आएगा. अगेन जिस गाड़ी को अगर आप बम्पी रोड्स पे भी चला रहे हैं तो आपको अच्छा ड्राइविंग एक्सपीरियंस आएगा. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, i10 comes with a waistline molding. This molding is very beneficial. अगर आपकी गाड़ी जैसे अहमदाबाद का ट्रैफिक है, if your car touches any other car or something, तो this will provide it from getting minor scratches. छोटे छोटे स्क्रैचेस जो गाड़ियों में अक्सर चलते हैं वो इस गाड़ी में नहीं आएगा. Coming to the boot space of the car, i10 provides you a very good boot space. आप अपना लगेज कंफर्टेबली इस गाड़ी में रख सकते हैं विदाउट एनी हैसल. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, देयर इज इंटीग्रेटेड HMSL अगेन एज वी हैव सीन इन Eon. इसका बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट है. अगर कोई पुरानी पीछे गाड़ी आपकी आ रही है तो इस HMSL की वजह से आपका पीछे का ड्राइवर आराम से इस गाड़ी को जज कर सकता है व्हाइल यू आर अप्लाइंग द ब्रेक्स. सो ये था Hyundai i10 का एक्सटीरियर.
as a sensible and comfortable economy family car. The sales charts have certainly proved that the i10 had the right ingredients, cementing a formidable reputation for itself in the small car market. Now Hyundai is all set with the new i10, which has been considerably refreshed to take on the increased competition.
i10 के बारे में बताऊं, इट्स लोगों को दिल में बस गई है i10। रीज़न ये है कि उसका पावर, पिकअप, इंजन स्मूथनेस, ड्राइविंग कंफर्ट, सिटिंग प्लेजर्स, ये लोगों को काफ़ी पसंद आ रहा है। डे टू डे उसकी वैल्यू फॉर मनी, रीसेल वैल्यू भी i10 की काफ़ी अच्छी है, तो लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छा पसंद आ रहा है। न्यू लुक है, यूरोपियन लुक है, न्यू जनरेशन लुक है, तो लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छा पसंद आ रहा है।
Design plays a big role in the choice of cars. The new hexagonal grille is the new Hyundai family look. It has certainly added a lot of energy and makes the i10 look much more aggressive than before.
अभी आपने देखा i10 का एक्सटीरियर, अभी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा Hyundai i10 के इंटीरियर्स के बारे में। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, Hyundai i10 comes with a unique features. इस गाड़ी में इसका ट्रिप मीटर इज द मेन अट्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस कार। अगेन इट कम्स विद द गियर शिफ्ट इंडिकेटर। इसका गियर शिफ्ट इंडिकेटर सेम एज इयन आपको बताएगा किस स्पीड पे, किस गियर पे आपको गाड़ी चलानी चाहिए, जिससे आपका बेटर माइलेज और गाड़ी के इंजन में अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस आएगी। बेसिक फीचर्स की बात करें तो i10 में AC हीटर, पावर स्टीयरिंग एंड पावर विंडोज़ आर ऑलवेज देयर, जिसमें फ्रंट 2 डोर पावर विंडोज़ है। अगर आप ड्राइवर की कन्वीनियंस के बारे में बात करें तो यू विल गेट द फ्रंट 2 डोर पावर विंडोज़। अगर मैं आपको Hyundai i10 के गियर के बारे में बताऊं, इसकी लोकेशन ऐसी जगह पे है कि अगर आप ड्राइवर चाहे तो इसको बहुत कंफर्टेबली मूव कर सकता है, बिकॉज बिल्कुल उसके हाथ के एंगल में आती है, जिससे ड्राइविंग एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बेटर हो जाएगा गाड़ी का। Now I'll show you the back side of the car. अगर हम इस गाड़ी के लेग रूम के बारे में बात करें तो आई विल शो यू। अगर मैं आपको Hyundai i10 के लेग रूम के बारे में बताऊं तो इसका लेग रूम एम्पल है। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, देयर इज़ इनफ स्पेस व्हाइल सिटिंग ऑन द बैक साइड ऑफ द कार। मुझे बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल है, बीइंग अ पर्सन ऑफ हाइट विद अ हाइट ऑफ 5'11", आई कैन सिट वेरी कंफर्टेबली। अगेन जिसमें लेग रूम मेरे लिए काफ़ी है।
Replaced by sharper rectangular units, and the larger headlamps look striking even from a distance. All these changes come together to create a look that gives the little i10 more presence on our bustling streets. The resculptured rear bumper has made space for reflector and parking sensors. The tail lamps also wear a longer, more angular look. The i10's overall length has increased by 20 mm. All displays now get a blue backlight for some added zing when driving at night. Another welcome change of color is seen on the dashboard. The darkened color increases safety as it reduces reflection on the windscreen while driving during daytime. Secondly, it also goes tastefully with the gunmetal finish on the center console. Other features remain unchanged.
i10 में भी काफ़ी अच्छी सेलिंग है। ईयरली सेलिंग है i10, इट इज़ अराउंड ईयरली सेलिंग नेशनल एवरेज इज़ अराउंड 1,20,000 1,30,000 के बीच में रही है। एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द अहमदाबाद सिटी। अहमदाबाद सिटी इज़ अराउंड 2,000 कार्स पर ईयर। जनरली हमारी 15 to 20 कार्स डिलीवरी रहती है, बट वैलेंटाइन डे के ऐसे स्पेशल ओकेशंस पे हमने अराउंड 60 to 70 कार्स डिलीवरी करी है ऑन अ सिंगल डे।
Take the i10 out on the highways and you will experience its eager nature. Hyundai has added more appeal on the inside with a few fine tweaks. Apart from the buzzer-type parking sensor, you also get height adjust for the driver's seat on the higher variant. The seat fabric is more appealing. The rearview mirrors are now heated and powered. The music system now plays MP3s too, and there is connectivity for your USB or iPod. Bluetooth connectivity is also added to the equipment list. For greater convenience, you also get steering wheel mounted controls for calls and your music system. Once behind the wheel, it's an altogether different story. The engine is significantly more refined and drivable than before and pulls cleanly from 2000 RPM to its 6000 RPM. At a low speed, you can feel a slight step up just under the 2000 RPM mark, letting you stroll around in city traffic without making too many gear changes. Shortened first and third gear ratios have also added drivability. A prominent gear shift indicator is housed in a big LCD screen on the right hand side of the instrument cluster. Depending on the vehicle road speed and engine speed, the indicator suggests the right gear for maximum efficiency. The chunky steering wheel lets you point the i10 in the intended direction without effort or drama, but a bit more road feel would certainly be welcome. Well, overall i10 promises to be better value. Is the new i10 overwhelming better than before? No. Apart from an improved engine, changes are largely cosmetic, but with nominal hike in the price and a raft of new features, it promises to be better value. તો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, ડે ઓફ લવ, વેલેન્ટાઇન્સ ડે અને વસંત પંચમી જેવા ઓકેઝન હમણાં જ ગયા છે. એટલા માટે જ આજે તમને ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપી એવી કાર્સની કે જે ઇઝીલી અફોર્ડેબલ પણ હોય અને જે તમારી જર્નીને બનાવે વધુ સ્મૂથ અને વધુ સેફ. આવી જ કાર્સની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન સાથે આપણે મળીશું નેક્સ્ટ એપિસોડમાં. પણ આ કાર્સની અપડેટ્સ તમને કેવી લાગી જણાવો અમને અમારા ઈમેલ આઈડી પર. ટિલ ધેન, હેપી જર્ની, ગુડ બાય.